Go. As a major sport that has represented Jamaica at every level, from local club meets to the Olympics and the World Championships, we are pleased to be recognized with this new and modern equipment.
The Sports Development Foundation continues to take on critical projects of this sort, working with the board and management of IPL. The work entailed the changing of the filters, the complete overhaul of the diving facility, and extensive upgrading of the swimming pool. Starting blocks and timing pads were installed.
This equipment will be put to good use.
The Aquatic Center at Independence Park here in Kingston, Jamaica is arguably the most heavily used sporting facility in Jamaica. We must maintain it, and most important, we upgrade it ever so often to ensure that our water sports exponents have at their disposal a world-class facility.
And we're certainly highly motivated now to continue improving our performances and to make Jamaica proud.
This upgrading activity has dovetailed nicely into the work of the organizing committee of the Carifta Games, all designed to ensure that our hosting of the Carifta Games will be up to world-class standard. These games, we know, will include open water swim, water polo, and artistic swimming. And I want to encourage all Jamaicans to come out and support Jamaica, of course, and to welcome the visiting teams.
Go.
The intention of the government has always been to bring all hands on deck to ensure professionalism, which would result in the required standards being reached at the organizational level, and which will give our athletes their best chance of success.